Hi, good day. In this video, I'll share with you how an Excel advanced user will solve these questions. And in the next video, I will share with you how a Power BI user will do this differently. And you judge yourself which one is better. Now, I have Team A and Team B. At a glance, it seems like they are of the same name. If you see on the first three items, they are. But as soon as you come to the fourth, they are not. And then it's not. And not only that, the number I had deliberately shows you that they are different lists. So you know that. Now the question is that in Team A uh, and Team B both have Hamiya. But then in as for the fourth item, is Muhammad Anwar appear in Team A? How do you know? You will check one by one maybe? No. But in Excel Advanced feature, I can actually use a count if function to just doing that. But first, I want to turn this into a table. So I select this item, Team A, and I control T, and my table has header. The only thing is that it does not include that C7, so I adjust it accordingly. So it's C8, it stands for C8. Okay, and click OK, and I go to table design, and under the table here, I just put it as table Team A, and I go to the next one. I do the same, Control T. And again, I don't want to include the label here, TB. So start from that, click OK. I go to table design, and now here I also change it to Team B. Okay, okay, that's complete. Now the next question is that I want to know if, so I just want to count whether this one appear. Sorry, I want to know if this one appear in this list. So I will use the table on my Team B. I'm gonna check whether this Team A member is it found in the Team B, and enter. It will tells me yes, it found it. And this zero Surin is not found in the Team B. So this one is if it's zero, zero means this member in Team A don't work in Team B or don't contribute in Team B. So as you can see that Surin Sophia, if you take a look here, it's click a closer look. Is there a Surin Sophia? Nope, it's not. So that is how you can do check that in what I call that this uh, Excel using COUNTIF. And the other way you can use is the VLOOKUP to find that also. There are people use VLOOKUP. Actually, VLOOKUP is more costly in terms of using the spare time. But you can use that. First is that because first of all, the Team A and Team B, they do not repeat itself. The Team A has this name Hamiya, it will not repeat another row with Hamiya. So that could be work. And now I want to know is that which member in Team B that work in this team. Okay, again, this is team. That's table. The entire table is called Team A, and I just want to use that one because there is no other column that I want to look for. And I'll go for false, type and enter, and you can see that if the matching, it will show the value Mamiya and so on. And if it's not matching, that means this is something wrong. Okay, and so with this VLOOKUP, you can wrap it with the if error if you want to do that. Okay, so this application is very useful. I recently trained some manufacturing company, and they have both lists, and in fact both lists. So there's a list A and list B. There may be a different ingredients, and just want to instantly know that which ingredients are very similar, but there may be one or two items are not are different. They want to identify maybe a competitor A and competitor B. So they have a list of similar ingredients. So maybe here's sugar, here also got sugar. So okay, then that means that both of them got sugar. Then it's okay, right? But then if there's some ingredient that they don't have, so then list it down, then they can find it. So you can either use COUNTIF or VLOOKUP, or in the next video I show you how to do it with Power Query, and this is even more powerful than this, and you only do once. And thanks for watching. I hope this is useful to you and help you to save time. Thanks for watching. Yes, God bless you, God bless Asia.